Recently, reports revealed that a team led by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg will present evidence to a grand jury about Donald Trump's role in the hush-hush money scheme targeting women he says with whom they work and have a relationship. The problem in Bragg's case could be in the future maybe false business records created by Trump's company to cover the compensation given to the former lawyer of Trump, Michael Cohen, for some money he made himself. Now, the former editor of the National Enquirer David Pecker, whose publisher is also involved in the arrangement, will give the clearest evidence to the jury. It seems that Trump is paying attention. He turned to his own account on his fake social media site Truth Social, where he ran away. When Soros supported Alvin Bragg in the Manhattan District Attorney's office, he received great praise from the public sphere for keeping some of the worst witch hunts ever taken from the company, Trump said online Wednesday. Now, some idiots and radical leftists, with the high level and failure of fake news, are trying to make it go down the path of criminal justice and take some vulnerable people dead based on prescription levels. Fight against violent crime. It is shocking and indicative of how Trump's words are disappearing that the former president will continue to insist, in more or less words, that lawyers including Bragg ignores violent crime. They obviously don't do that. It's also ridiculous to think that something as important as an important deadline won't be properly reviewed as the process progresses. In another announcement this week, Trump appeared to show that he had at least some knowledge of the plan to give Stephanie Clifford, also known as Stormy Daniels, and Karen McDougal cash. Manhattan District Attorney's Office, to prove Trump's involvement. As for the empty word Stormy, it is old and made a long time ago, well after the end of the time when it was popular and accepted, he said. I place full confidence in the judgment and opinion of lawyer, whom I have reason to believe is authorized to practice law, is competent and able to render a solid legal service well. It is from good law firm, representing other clients. Those years, but there is no reason not to rely on it, and I did. Trump also has a predictable narcissistic view of why he faces this doomsday job. Good and true justice means nothing in our country, the former president said sweetly. Many local, state and federal judges are beating me, all to stop running and all because I'm leading too much. The great people of our country will not take it. Most Republican presidential polls show Trump beating Trump by double digits in the GOP. Ron DeSantis, who can announce the campaign, and Trump is worried about Thursday's election. I kill everyone in the polls, but Fox News is able to find someone who is out of touch, usually old and unreliable, and that makes me feel bad. As possible, he complained to his followers.